Namaste student, we are going to perform an experiment related to diode, that is voltage versus current characteristic in a forward bias mode. We are learning, and hence from that cut-in voltage or the knee voltage of a given diode we are going to find out. The principle of this particular experiment is during when the diode is in a forward bias condition, it offers a very low resistance. It starts conducting current in a larger manner. And then what is a cut-in voltage? It is a characteristic voltage of a diode at which the current exponentially increases for small variation in voltage during forward bias mode. Before actually starting an experiment, we should know what is a diode. It is an electronic device which is made using a pure semiconductor which is doped with P-type impurities and N-type impurities, so that it becomes a junction is formed between a P-type and N-type. So there is a barrier created. So what is forward bias means? The P end of a diode is connected to the positive of a battery, and N end of a diode is connected to negative end of a battery. See, this is a schematic symbol of a diode which has a triangle followed by a straight line. This triangle end is P end of a diode and this line is a N end. If we connect P end to positive end of a battery and N end to negative end of a battery, this type of connection we call it as forward bias characteristics of a diode. Okay, so when we plot the graph, the characteristic almost looks like this, because initially there is no current flows in the circuit. Later at a particular voltage it starts, then drastically current increases. Okay, now we will look into the equipments, how to perform an experiment. We are going to see that from the apparatus. To perform this particular experiment, we require a diode. Diode has P portion and N portion. Where the complete black side is there, that is P. Where the silver ring comes, that is N end of a diode. So that I have connected it here. And we need ammeter, we need voltmeter, rheostat to vary the voltage in steps, and then we need a battery and a plug key to switch off and switch on the circuits. Okay, now we'll start. The circuit connection is as shown here. Negative end of a battery should be connected to the plug key to lower end of a rheostat. The first lower end of rheostat should go to positive end of a battery. Then from the same lower end should come to the positive end of ammeter, and then negative end of ammeter I have connected to the voltmeter positive. Then here is a diode connection. Positive end of a diode should go to negative terminal of ammeter, and then the negative end of the diode should, or N end of a diode should go to upper terminal of rheostat, and negative end of voltmeter should connect to the N end of a diode. This is how the circuit looks like. More or less it is like a Ohm's law circuit. Only thing is we have a rheostat connected across. Later connection is similar to Ohm's law. Okay, now let us start the experiment. I'll put the key. Now let us vary the voltage from 0.1 volt. Now we will adjust the voltage as 0.1 volt. You can make out the current is 0. Then we will increase the voltage from 0.1 to 0.2. It is fluctuating, power supply will be varying. Don't get panic while performing. See, you can make out 0.2 and some other reading also, current is 0. That means there is no conduction is happening through the diode. Now let us increase from 0.2 to 0.3. You can see there is a slight current is flowing. At 0.3 also there is no current. When I increase that slightly, yes. So at 0.34 the current is shown in the ammeter. The diode started conducting the current. Now I will make this to 0.4 and we have to take the reading. 0.5 we have to take the reading. 0.6. So in an interval of 0.11 voltage you take the reading, corresponding one. Maximum you can go up to where the rheostat is ending. So keep varying the voltage, 0.6, 0.65 something. See, this particular device cannot read the reading beyond this. So there you can stop the experiment. Students, you can make out these are the corresponding currents for variation of voltage in 0.1 steps. Now I am plotting a graph. I have plotted already. This is the way. You need to select the appropriate scale. Now here in this particular case I have selected x-axis 1 centimeter as 0.1 volt and then y-axis 1 centimeter as 10 milliampere. Then corresponding points we need to plot it here. For 0 current is 0.1, current is 0.2, it's 0.3, it is 0, and then at 0.4 it was like around 3.2. So 3.2 I cannot mark it here. So as per my scale I marked it as 3. Then similarly at 0.5 16.7, then up to 0.6 it is 56, at 0.65 it is 168. Later you can stop this, join all the points and you get an exponential increasing graph in case of PN junction diode characteristic. Now how to draw a cut-in voltage or a knee voltage where the current becomes almost like a straight. There is an increase in the current parallel to the x-axis, you drop it. This is a knee voltage or cut-in voltage. Thank you, students.